All right, the presentation today is creating a measurement strategy using TDRP, that's Talent Development Reporting Principles. So our goal is to help practitioners in the field select the right measures and the right reports to get the most value for the work they do. We start in this Talent Development Reporting Framework, TDRP, by identifying who our users of the measures are and why they want to measure. We shared 4 different reasons for measuring. And then we talked about the 3 different types of measures, like effectiveness, efficiency, and outcome measures. We have so many measures in L&D, it's important to categorize them in a way that helps us talk about them. So once we understand why the users want to measure and what they're going to do with it, we can recommend to them the appropriate measures for them. And once we've selected the appropriate measures, then we want to put them in the right report. And there's a lot more to reporting than scorecards and dashboards. Both those are good for looking backwards at the data and sharing historical results. But if you want to share the results of a program, there's a program evaluation report format, which is good. And if you want to manage the learning, try to do something above and beyond what you've done historically to really improve. Then we suggest you use a management report, which gives you additional information. So the TDRP framework starts with the reasons to measure and understanding the user, then selecting the right kind of measure, and then putting it in the right report. This will help you run learning like a business. It'll help you meet expectations and accomplish more. So that is what we would like the profession to do. We need to standardize around a common language and a common framework, just as our colleagues in other professions like accounting and sales have done for a long time. The main message for the profession today would be to take a look at the framework and the common language that we have today and see if we can't come together as a profession globally to agree on what we call measures, how we define them, how we calculate them, how we use them, what report we put them into, so we can all be speaking the same language. And we also mentioned that there's a brand new standard out from ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, and this new standard will help us all speak the same language and define measures the same way. So that incorporates TDRP, and it's really the next step in our journey to become a more mature learning profession.